Fabric Real-Time Intelligence. Fabric Real-Time Hub Teaching Bubble. The Fabric Real-Time Hub now introduces teaching bubbles that provide a step-by-step guide through its major functionalities. These interactive guides allow you to seamlessly navigate each tab of the Real-Time Hub, offering a clear understanding of the value and core functions. By following these teaching bubbles, you can effectively kick off the Get Events flow, ensuring a best-in-class streaming data ingestion experience. This feature is designed to enhance your learning curve and maximize the capabilities of the Real-Time Hub. Fabric Data Factory. Fabric Data Pipelines. We're excited to announce the release of two powerful new connectors in Fabric Data Factory data pipelines, Salesforce Connector and Vertica Connector. The Salesforce Connector, using Bulk API 2.0 in Fabric Data Factory, offers a high-performance solution for integrating Salesforce data with Microsoft Fabric. Bulk API 2.0 is designed to handle large volumes of data efficiently by processing batch records asynchronously, making it ideal for large-scale data migrations and synchronizations. This connector enables users to seamlessly extract, transform, and load extensive datasets from Salesforce into various destinations or vice versa. By utilizing this connector, organizations can accelerate data operations, streamline workflows, and leverage the full potential of their Salesforce data alongside other data sources, ensuring robust, scalable data integration and analytics. The Vertica Connector offers unparalleled ease of connection to Vertica, a high-performance, distributed SQL database designed for big data analytics through on-premises data gateways. By leveraging the Vertica Connector, organizations can harness the robust analytical capabilities of Vertica alongside the scalability and flexibility of Fabric Data Factory, thereby enhancing their data workflow and accelerating insights across their enterprise data ecosystem. Data Warehouse Connector supports TLS 1.3. The introduction of TLS 1.3 support in the Warehouse Connector marks a significant improvement in data security for data integration processes. TLS 1.3, the latest version of the Transport Layer Security Protocol, provides improved encryption, reduced latency, and enhanced privacy over previous versions. By supporting TLS 1.3, the Data Warehouse Connector ensures that data transmitted between the data warehouse and other systems is protected with state-of-the-art encryption, mitigating the risk of cyber threats and data breaches. This update not only strengthens the security posture of data operations, but also optimizes performance, enabling faster and more secure data transfers. Organizations can now confidently leverage the Data Warehouse Connector and data pipeline to integrate and analyze their data, knowing that their information is safeguarded with the most advanced security protocols available. Easily connect to your Azure resources by modern Get Data Experience and Data Pipeline. You can easily browse and connect your Azure resources automatically with modern data experience of Data Pipeline. With the Browse Azure experience, you can quickly connect to Azure resources without manually filling in some information, such as endpoint, URL, etc. Currently, we have supported connecting Azure Blob, Azure Data Lake Gen 2, Azure Cosmos DB, and Synapse through Browse Azure experiences. To browse the Azure resources, you need at least a reader access role on the data source.